Okay, I'm going to show you how to link two tables inside an Access database. First table is the CD table. The primary key over here is the CD name. The foreign key will be the owner ID, because in the owner table the primary key will be owner ID. Okay, so the link between the two will be the owner ID field. Okay, I'm going to leave open this table for now. Okay, now I'm going to go over to database tools, then relationships. Okay, I'm gonna hide these two tables because I want to show you what yours will look like when you open your first Access database. Okay, so I'm gonna right click, show table. I want to show the CD table, and I want to show the owner table. Close. Okay, just gonna make it a bit bigger so that we can see the fields inside. Okay, so the owner ID is the primary key in the owner table, but in the CD table the owner ID will be a foreign key, so that will be the link between the two tables. Okay, so I left open this owner table. So when I go to the relationship tab and I drag this owner ID over to the owner ID in the CD table, it's going to show me it's a one-to-many relationship, which is correct. I'm going to check this enforce referential integrity. That means if I enforce this integrity, no anomalies can occur. No insert anomalies, no update anomalies, and no delete anomalies can occur. So I'm going to say create, and then Access is going to complain because it says the database engine could not lock table owner table because it's already in use by another person or process. Well, that person is actually me. Okay, so I'm going to go to this owner table and I'm going to close it down. Okay, so remember, both tables needs to be closed if you want to link the two tables. Okay, so let's try again. The owner ID in the owner table, I'm going to drag it over to the CD table, the owner ID in the CD table. I'm going to check the enforce referential integrity to make sure that there's no anomalies. Shows one-to-many, which is correct. Click on create, and it will make the link between the two. Okay, so one owner can own many CDs, but a CD can only be owned by one owner. So that will make it a one-to-many relationship.